Alright, since this 9 weeks is coming slowly to an end, I'm giving you an easier day. I know I've had a lot of failure conferences with some of your parents. I know virtual hasn't been as easy as a lot of us would have liked it to be. Therefore, today's a little bit easier of a day, so I encourage you to use it to your advantage. If you have missing assignments or do not like your grade in my class, please use today to do today's work, but also catch up on some of the things or redo some of the assignments that you do not like your grade in to help you out. So today we're just going to do a little paragraph about Among Us. So Miss H was playing Among Us when, and you're going to type here, right here, to tell me what happened. But I need a complete paragraph. A paragraph that has 5 sentences. If you want credit, I need 5 sentences. Now, if you're stuck on what to write, I tried to give you some of these examples. So maybe I got zapped into the phone and then I was living in the game. Maybe my phone died. Maybe I was the imposter. Be creative. Now, if you don't know what Among Us is, it is a video game and you play it on your phone. Usually it's an app. And you have characters that look like this or this. They're just little different colors. And so if you do not know what the game is, just use these pictures here to help you think about it. Now, I'm not grading you for your knowledge of this game. So if you know nothing about this game, just make it up as you go along. Be creative. What I'm grading you for is your sentences. So think about punctuation and capitalization. Make sure your story makes sense. Make sure your 5 sentences go together. If I was to say, the sky is blue, my daughter is 2, those 2 sentences may rhyme, but they don't really go together. That just happened on accident. So maybe not the greatest example, but make sure your paragraph, make sure your sentences flow. This is worth points. You will get credit for it, but you need to actually put some effort into it, okay? So 5 complete sentences right here, and then I want you to work on any missing assignments or any grades you're not too proud of. If you don't know what your missing assignments are, check Hack. If Hack isn't working, I know some on-site students have had issues with it lately. I think it's back up and running, but if it's not, email me. I can send you a list, or I can give you the links if you can't find them in Google Classroom. I'm here to help, but I can't help you find assignments if I don't know that you need help finding them. So just reach out to me if you need help, but today should be an easier day, no stress day. So have a happy Thursday.